She's giving face. She's giving laid frontal wig. Ooh, she's giving snatched nose. Ooh. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Do you like my new wig? I like it. I soon turn it blue, but I plan on doing that today, but I couldn't go to the store because it was raining. And I'm a little sick, like I'm congested, but that's okay. So let's get right into it. Today is going to be a talk through makeup tutorial, and I changed up how I do my makeup. Now I do my whole face before I do my eyeshadow. I do my eyeshadow while I'm baking. So let's get into it. Okay, so first is primer. I already did my eyebrows before, so first we're going to prime. I'm going to use this Laura Mercier foundation primer. Okay, now for foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 340. I don't even know what eyeshadow I'm going to do today. We're just going to go along and do whatever comes to mind, but I hope it looks cute. This is my first time filming with the window light, and it looks so much better. I don't know why when I set up my room I set it up the way I did, because it was so dumb. Like, my brain was not working. I need a job, guys. Literally, I'm off of school right now, and all I've been doing is sleeping. Like, that's all I do, because like I was so tired from being in school. Like, school is draining. So I've been just sleeping. Like, today I woke up at 10, and that's considered early because I've been waking up at like 3 and 5. Like I try to wake up early and I just can't. Like, I'm just addicted to sleeping. I think I have a problem. Honestly, like, I'm addicted. If there was a job where I could get paid to sleep, I would be a billionaire by now. And I have my Real Techniques beauty blender. I'm just going to blend everything in. I started doing my contour with the beauty blender also. Like, instead of using a brush, I just put the beauty blender into the contour palette, and it comes out so good. Like, everything is blended so nice when you do that. I don't know why I never did that before. I just used the Cool Tan and the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Now I'm going to use the Maybelline in the shade 25 for my under eyes. I'm only putting a little bit so that I could also put it on my eyelids, a little bit down my nose, just to give it an extra brightness. You see that? You see how bright it is? This new year, my new year resolution is to be more focused and more goal driven and not get off track. Like, that's really my resolution. I just, like, I need to not procrastinate anymore. So I'm trying to, like, I don't know, be more on it. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I need to just get to the bag. Go chase a bag, sis. That's what I'm finna do. Like, I cannot be a bum. Like, I'm about to be 18. I need to start really get out there, start growing up. It's sad to say, but it's that time. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder. I'm going to bake and then start with my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take my Nouveau Neutrals palette, and I'm taking these two shades for the transition shades. I really don't have an idea of what look that I want to get, so I'm just winging it. But I do know that I want a cut crease. So I put those two colors right above my crease. Now I'm going to take a smaller blending brush, and I'm going to take the shade Purple in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to put that right in my crease. Now I'm going to go into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to take these two shades, and I'm going to put those right in my crease. I'm starting on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm slowly going towards the inside, and I'm blending it into the orange. Now I'm going to take the brush with the orange again and blend the edges of the orange and the purple. Now I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan again, and I'm going to cut my crease. Now I'm going to take the same brush that I took the purple with, and I'm lightly going into the black, and I'm only putting that on the outer corner right here, and I'm blending it into the concealer that I just put to cut the crease. Like why? Like why does this happen? You're dragging it now. What did I do to deserve this? I've never tried this shade. It's like a pink. So we're going to take this shade right here, and we're going to put it where we cut the crease. Now I'm going to take the brush with the black again and just blend out the outer edges so that there are no harsh lines. Now I'm just going to dust all of the powder off of my face. It looks like I've contoured already, but I still have not. So now I'm going to take the Black Radiance contour palette, and like I said, I'm going to use my beauty blender, and I'm not going to take a lot. I'm literally just going to dab it like this. See, it looks like a lot, but it's not. And I'm going to just blend it right here. When using the beauty blender, you have to start over here, blend it out, and then slowly come down. And down my nose. I'm going to do my forehead right here. Now I'm going to blush. So I'm going to take my blush brush, and I'm going to go back into my Nouveau Neutrals palette because it has a really cute red blush. So I'm going to take that. This one right here at the end. I'm going to just So I'm going to take my highlight brush and my Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. So I'm going to take some on my finger and put it on my nose and down the bridge of my nose like that. Some on my cupid's bow. Now I'm going to take my Black Radiance eyeliner. It's just a regular Black Radiance eyeliner. I'm going to make a really cute wing. A lot of people can't do eyeliner on camera. I don't know why, but I do it fine. So follow along. Now I'm going to take the purple and just put it on my bottom lash line. I feel like I get blinder and blinder every day, and I'm just ignoring it. Like, I'm supposed to go to the doctor. I have not made no appointments. I'm just letting it be, like, whatever. I should care way more than I actually do. Pray for me, guys, so I don't go blind. Now I'm going to put some mascara on it. Some mascara on. Let me tone this down. Now the baddie is going to take the Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going to go into this shade right here. That was a bad accent, whatever accent that was. It was so bad. Ooh, look. Now I'm about to do lip liner. Heavy on the lip liner because I want the outline extra dark to really pop it, you know? I always wanted to have a sharp cupid's bow, but I don't. I don't know, like a sharp cupid's bow is one thing I always wanted. Like one of those V ones that really look good. Like Rihanna. Rihanna's cupid's bow is like amazing. Let's see how I look with purple. Lips make such a difference. If I was to just go with nude lips, I would look really simple and cute. Which one looks better? And then with this, which one looks better? Lip 1 or lip 2? I think lip 2 looks better, just because I don't want to be too extra today. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm off of school now for like the winter break, Christmas, New Year's break, and I'm trying to be more consistent. It's my goal this year, this new year, to be more consistent, more on top of everything. Schoolwork, finding a job, YouTube, everything. I'm trying to balance it all, make sure I'm doing everything I have to do, and just being more adult-like, you know, because I soon be 18, so I have to get my shit together right now, not later. I have to start being responsible right now. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this look, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, anything you want, and then subscribe. Make sure to subscribe, hit that subscribe button right now, and watch my other videos. Bye.